King. Yes? We've been taken over by a T-Rex. Oh no, then do something about it. No, you. No, you. No, you. No, you. Fine, I'll go. Hey, you, T-Rex. Hey, what do you want? I want you to stop. No. I will want you to stop. No. Okay, then I'll give you a taste of maybe, hey, I'll give you a smack in the face. No, yeah, I'll give you a smack in the face. Yo. The pow. Take that, T-Rex. Ow. Okay, I'll leave, but only for now. Yay! I gotta go tell the king. I defeated him. Later, back at the king. King, I defeated him. Well, he said he was gone for now. Okay, I hope he's gone forever. Really. Okay, good. Okay, guys, that was just a silly little stuffed animal play thing. I really hope you enjoyed. I really hope you see my face. So, I really hope you guys can enjoy. I'll think about the characters. Okay, King Pooh, Captain Smurf, or whatever his name is, and Rexy. So those are all those guys. So, see you later.